So, hello, welcome back everyone. Today I shall LeetCode problem number 2769, which is the find the maximum achievable number. This question is an easy level question of a LeetCode, and let's start with the example. Let's start with the problem statement. Given two integers num and t, a number x is achievable if it can become equal to a number after applying the following operation at most t times: increase or decrease x by 1 and simultaneously increase or decrease num by 1 and return the maximum possible value of x. So this is a problem, and let's see the example first. Input num is equal to 4 and t is equal to 1. So output is equal to 6. Explanation. Apply the following operation once to make the maximum achievable number equal to number, and decrease the maximum achievable number by 1 and increase the number by 1. So this is the main module. And example 2, input num is equal to 3 and t is equal to 2. So output is equal to 7. Explanation. Apply the following operation twice to make the maximum achievable number equal to number. Decrease the maximum achievable number by 1 and increase the number by 1. So this is the increase decrease scheme, and my approach is to solve this question. My approach is very small, and also in the one line question, also solve with one line. Done. So this is my approach, and return n plus 2 into t. This and let's check it out on the run. The answer is properly run or not. Okay. Num here is the test case passed, case 1 and case 2 successfully passed, and my approach is very small. Num plus 2 into t, because this is increase or decrease x by 1 and simultaneously increase or decrease num by 1 and return the maximum possible value of x. So this approach is best for that, and let's check it out on the submit button. So here my answer is perfectly successfully submitted with the 0 ms and 100% service. So thank you all of you guys.